Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to do these like icy blue nails, and I love these. I was really happy with these when I finished them. So this time we're going to be using the stiletto nails because I wanted like long ones for this set. So I've put those tips into my Red Iguana Practice Hand. And then I'm going to be using a few different brands. I think I'm going to be using mainly Madam Glam. So I'm using this one, which is called Bubblegum Sky. And then I'm using Perfect White. And then I'm using a Kiki London blue. And I really wanted like a baby blue, but I just didn't have one. So I chose that one. And then I've got these two glitters. I've got Snow Queen from Smileys. And that's like a baby blue Christmassy glitter. And then I've got Fairy Dust because I wanted some really fine glitter. And this is the finest one that I've got. It's almost like powder. It's that thin. So the first thing I'm doing is going in on all of the nails with a coat of the Perfect White, and that's because I want the blue to be as bright as it can be, sort of, and as light as it can be. So I'm doing a coat of that, and then I'm going in with the Kiki London blue on two of the nails, and then I'm using the Bubblegum Sky on the other two nails, and I'm doing two coats of that. So each coat gets cured for 60 seconds. A lot of brands now, including Madam Glam, have changed their curing time from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So I'm now just curing everything for 60 seconds just to make sure. So don't forget, if you did like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber and you watch my videos anyway. That way, and if you click on the bell notification, that way you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And as usual, links to all the products that I've used are always in the description box, along with my discount codes, my links to my Etsy store and my Amazon storefront. So don't forget to check those out if you want to use anything that I've used in the video. So on the pointer finger and the ring finger, I've put the Kiki London blue, and I've put the white underneath it, but I still wanted it to be a little bit lighter. So I did put this après ski on from Madam Glam, just one coat of that, and it's quite shimmery, but it has got a white tone to it as well. And then I'm going in with Born Pretty's chrome top coat, because the pinky finger and the middle finger are going to have chrome on top of them, and I'm going to use this little palette from Born Pretty. I showed you that in my last haul, and I'm just using the light blue one, and that's just going to give these nails like a little bit of a sheen. So yeah, I'm doing that. I'm rubbing that all over the nails, and then when I'm happy with how that's rubbed in, I'm going in again with the chrome top coat, and I'm just covering that up and curing it. You do need to cure this chrome top coat for at least 30 seconds. I find it works better if you cure it for 60. So that's what I've done. And then I'm putting another coat of the après ski, that white one, onto the pointer finger, because that's going to have the glitter, the Smileys glitter, the blue one on it. So into that wet coat of gel polish, because I've not cured it, I'm just going to press little bits of the glitter in, and I'm going to do 2 layers of this. So I'm doing 1 layer, then I'll cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'll go in with my glitter base coat and cover all that glitter up, and then I'll leave it wet and put some more glitter into it, because I wanted this a complete full nail just with this glitter in. So then when I'm happy with where all the glitter is and that I've got enough on, I cure it for 60 again, and then I go in with the glitter base coat again and just cover it all again, leave it wet, and then I'll just add 2 of the snowflakes on top into that wet base coat. And then I need to encapsulate this nail because the glitter is covered, but it's not covered enough, and it does need a bit of shape, the nail. So I'm putting some more of the base coat on, curing it, and then I'm going in with Pure Serenity, and that is Madam Glam's clear builder gel. So at first I'm just painting that on, giving myself a slip layer, and then I'm putting a bigger bead on, and I'm just feathering that down over all that glitter so that it covers it up completely, and it's giving a bit of shape to the nail. So I'll leave most of it in the apex area. And then on the chrome nails, I'm putting some of the Perfect White on my palette, and I'm using a detailer brush. This is Madam Glam's as well. It's a really nice detailer brush. And I'm painting some like icicles. And then I'm leaving it wet, and I'm using the very fine glitter that I showed you earlier, and I'm just dropping that onto where I've put the white gel polish. And then I tap off as much as I can, and then I cure that for 60 seconds. And then when it's cured, I just brush the remaining glitter off, and then you're just left with the like glittery icicle. I really love the way that looks. But yeah, after I did this, my practice hand was absolutely full of glitter, and I had to actually take the nails out and had to wash it in soapy water just to get all the glitter off, because it was absolutely covered and it was everywhere. It was all over me, all over my table, all over the hand, just everywhere. Yeah, so I wasn't the tidiest doing this, but I love the effect, so I don't mind. So again, with the pinky finger, I'm just brushing off all the excess after it's been cured. And then I didn't show you what I did with the ring finger. I didn't like it. I did sort of a pattern around the outside with gel polish to look like sort of snow drifts, but I didn't like it. So I just went over with this Chalet Session, and that's a silver one. It's gorgeous. So it's a silver, like shimmery glitter colour. And then I'm just putting the no wipe top coat on top of that just to seal it in, because I'm going to put a snowflake on. So these are more stickers from my last Temu haul that I did. And that's just going to go right in the middle of the nail. I'm just using the silicone end of my tweezers just to press it down. And then the last little bit on this nail, I'm putting some rhinestone glue on the cuticle area, and then I'm just adding some opal gems onto this nail. And then off camera, I do put some caviar beads on, but if I'd have done it on camera, you wouldn't have even been able to see what I was doing, so I just cut that bit out. And then I'm just top coating that glitter nail now, and I really love that glitter nail. It's my favourite one. I love it. So here they are, all finished. I really love these nails. I hope you did as well. And I don't think it's too complicated, this. It's quite easy to do, but it looks really good. So yeah, they don't have to be Christmas nails. They can just be winter nails. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you wear these, or do you think they're too over the top? I really love them. And I've just put a bit of a darker background on so that you can see the colour a bit better. But yeah, these are definitely my favourite winter set that I've done so far this year. So yeah, that is it for this one. So like I said earlier, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.